Maths Masterclass with Leo. Today we're doing the second lesson on integration by parts. Okay, without any further complaints, let's get to it. We are required to integrate x squared sine x dx, right? So now, remember the easiest method that we use the detail method, right? We use the detail method. Simple, we'll just say detail here. Detail, right? And then we know that this represents our log, lim, algebra, trig, exponents, right? Then after doing that, we draw a simple table like that. This side we will differentiate, this side we integrate, right? Then plus, minus, yeah. And now, the one that comes first between x squared and sine x, when you use the detail method, it will be differentiated. Then the other one will be integrated. In this case, the one that comes first, I have log, I don't have log here. Lim, I don't have lim here. Algebra, I have algebra, which is represented by x squared. Means here I'm going to write x squared. Then I have trig, which is sine x. Write it here, sine x, right? Then differentiate this, I'm going to get 2x. Differentiate it one more time, I'm going to get 2. Differentiate it again, I'm going to get 0, right? Then integrate sine x, I'm going to get negative cos x, right? Integrate negative cos x, I'm going to get negative sine x. Integrate negative sine x, I'm going to get positive cos x, right? That's how I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to say this will multiply that, this multiply that, and multiply that, right? Then this will give me, when I say positive x squared multiply negative cos x, it will give me negative x squared cos x. Then negative 2x multiply negative sine x, it will give me positive 2x sine x. Then positive 2 multiply cos x, it will be 2 cos x plus the value of c. That is how I'm gonna integrate x squared plus 2x sine x plus 2 cos x plus c. If you want to go further, you can take out a common factor, which is negative x squared cos x, then plus 2 cos x plus 2 sine plus 2x sine x plus c. Then I can see that cos is common here, which will give me negative x squared plus 2 cos x plus 2x sine x plus c. That is my solution. I hope you understand. Let's move to the next question. The next question says, how will you integrate let's erase here. How will you integrate 5x e to the power x, or e to the power 4x dx? How will you integrate this? Right? You are still using the same method. We are using detail method. Let me just erase this table. And I'll have something like that. Okay. Then what comes first? I have log. There's no log here. Lim, not there. Algebra, 5x. Then I can put 5x there. Then e to the power 4x. There. Differentiate this, I'm going to get 5. Differentiate it again, I'm going to get what? I'm going to get 0. Integrate this, I'm going to get 1 over 4 e to the power x. E to the power 4x. Then differentiate, integrate it again, I'm going to get 1 over 16 e to the power 4x. And this will multiply that, this multiplies that. Then I'll have positive 5x multiplied by 1 over 4 e to the power 4x. It will give me 5x over 4 e to the power 4x. Negative 5 multiplied by 1 over 16 e to the power 4x, it will give me negative 5 over 16 e to the power 4x plus c. You can take out the common factor, which is 5 over 4 e to the power 4x. In bracket, I'll be left with x minus 1 over 4 plus c. Right? As easy as that, I've integrated my question by parts. Now let's move to one last question, an advanced question. Not advanced, but yeah, we will use the very same application. Now the last question, it says the integral of x ln of x. How will you do that with respect to x? Okay, erase this, draw another table. Here I have u, here I have dv. This plus, minus, plus, minus. Okay, like that. Now, which one comes first here? I don't have log, I have ln. Means I need to integrate, I need to differentiate ln. Right? Then I'm going to integrate x. Right? Then when I differentiate ln, I'm going to get 1 over x. Differentiate it one more time, I'm going to get 1 over x squared, which is negative. Let me just end it there. Then this integrated, I'm going to get x squared over 2. This will be x cubed over 6. Okay? But I don't really need this. I don't really need that. Because if I continue, it will give me, it will never go to the part where it's 0. If it never goes to that part of 0, there's a way we can deal with it. If it never comes to 0, there's a way we can deal with it. Because this will go until infinity. It will continue going this side and that side. Right? So now, I'll just take this one, multiply it with that. This one, multiply it with that. Right? When I do that, it will give me what? It will give me positive ln of x multiplied by x squared over 2. It will be x squared over 2 ln of x, right? Then minus the integral of 1 over x multiplied by x squared over 2 dx. Why do I do this? Because I don't have the part where it will be 0, right? If it doesn't give me the 0 part, then this is the way I can close it to make things simple for myself. Right, then this will give me x squared over 2 ln of x minus, this will give me the integral of x squared over x dx. This will be x squared over 2 ln of x minus x dx. Then this will give me, not forgetting the value of 2 there, this will be like that. Because of the 2, this will be x squared over 2 ln of x minus 1 over 2 integral of x dx. Then this will give me x squared over 2 ln of x minus 1 over 2 into, integrate that, it will give me x squared over 2 plus c. Right? And final solution will be x squared over 2 ln of x minus x squared over 4 plus c. Right? Then if you want to take out the common factor, you can, which is x squared over 2. Let me just erase here. You can say, I want to take out the common factor of x squared over 2, which will be x squared over 2, and I'll be left with ln of x minus 1 over 2 plus c. That is my solution. I hope you understand. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the content with your friends. See you in the next video. Danko!